Hello YouTubers. Today I'll be talking about my new Bosch HD pocket camcorder, of which I got from Argos. That's it on the box. It's an FDV 200 pocket camcorder made by Bosch. I bought this because in the first place I had bought myself an Alba one, which I wasn't too pretty fussed on. It was a pretty bad camcorder, which I had tested out, and I took it back and I did not like it at all. So that's why I had bought myself the Bosch. Well, this is it here. Nice sleek black with its little screen. It's got its delete button, options, you've got your reset button and the mode button. And you also have the USB fitting, which you get a lead to connect it to your PC or your laptop. So just turn it on. Now you see, that's it there. Yep. And in this one I've got a 4 gig SD card, which gives us about 35 minutes of HD mode. When you press the mode button, you've got different settings on different resolutions. Here we have it on a 320, 640, 720 or 1280. On the normal mode, which is 320, it gives you just under 3 hours, which I'm pretty happy with, really, because using this outside I've got really some good videos. I've already done one test shot with the camcorder when I took my dog walking, and I am quite happy with it. You get some quality okay pictures with it, but overall you can't grumble for what you're paying for, really. Like I say, I paid around about £40 to £50 for it from Argos. You only get what you get, you know, and for what it is, you kind of grumble. Like you see, you can also press your mode button, and you can take pictures, and you can choose what options you want on your pictures and all, just the same. But anything that you can also use it as a webcam, for MSN or any other type of video hardware that you want to use it for. But overall I'm happy, and it's a good pocket camcorder. So I'm just trying to let you know, guys, if you want something cheap off the cuff between £40 to £50, this is the one to go for. Don't buy Alba, not worth it. It's just really bad camcorder altogether, it was. But this one, for what you pay for from Argos, you know, just go for it. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for listening. Bye.